Welcome to Star Global TV YouTube. Join me as I dive into the top 5 deadly investing mistakes and challenge myself to avoid them all while trying to grow my portfolio. Investing can be a wild ride, but it's a journey that can lead to financial freedom if you're smart about it. The thing is, many of us make critical mistakes that can cost us dearly. I'm talking about mistakes that can set you back years, even decades. So let's get into it and explore why avoiding these pitfalls is crucial for financial success. Making smart investment choices is key to growing your wealth over time. As investors, we all face challenges, whether we're new to the game or seasoned pros. One of the biggest hurdles is emotions, fear, greed, and anxiety can drive our decisions, often with disastrous results. We also struggle with information overload, trying to make sense of complex market data and conflicting advice. And then there's the pressure to perform, to grow our portfolios and achieve our financial goals. These pressures can lead to impulsive decisions, and that's when the trouble starts. Many investors also struggle with a lack of knowledge or experience, which can lead to costly errors. Let's dive into the 5 deadly investing mistakes that can destroy your portfolio. First, there's the mistake of not diversifying your portfolio. Imagine putting all your eggs in one basket. If that basket gets dropped, you're in trouble. For example, if you invest all your money in one stock and it tanks, you'll lose a significant portion of your portfolio. Next, there is the error of trying to time the market. This is like trying to predict the weather. It's impossible to get it right all the time. Third, we have the mistake of not having a long-term strategy. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. You need to have a plan and stick to it. Fourth, there is the danger of chasing hot investments. Just because something is popular doesn't mean it's a good investment. And finally, there's the mistake of not monitoring and adjusting your portfolio. Your investment strategy should be dynamic, not static. One mistake that's often overlooked but can have severe consequences is the failure to consider taxes and fees. These can eat into your returns and significantly impact your bottom line. Think about it. If you're making 10% returns, but you're paying 2% in fees and taxes, that's a 20% reduction in your returns. That's a huge hit to take. Many investors don't realize the impact of taxes and fees on their investments, and it can be a costly mistake. To recap, the 5 deadly investing mistakes are not diversifying your portfolio, trying to time the market, not having a long-term strategy, chasing hot investments, and not monitoring and adjusting your portfolio. Being aware of these mistakes can help you avoid them and enhance your investment strategies. Take the time to educate yourself, and you'll be on your way to making smarter investment choices. If you've made any of these mistakes in the past, don't worry, we all have. Share your own experiences in the comments below, and let's learn from each other. And if you want to take your investment game to the next level, be sure to check out my next video on investment strategies. And please like, share, and subscribe to Star Global TV YouTube channel. Credits: written and presented by Star Global TV.